In this video, I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing this foldable keyboard and mouse from ProtroArc. So this was given to me for free to do a review, and this video is not sponsored. So let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing right away. And you can see that it comes in a carrying case. So this is great for traveling. See the logo right there. Okay, and there's your instruction manual. And over here is, I guess this is a mount for your smartphone. And you got your USB wire right here, USB-C to USB 2.0. Okay, let's go ahead and put the box to the side. Let's go ahead and start off with the keyboard because this is the biggest thing. And this is a full-size keyboard, but you can see it is pretty thin. You can see right there, that is your USB-C charging port. And then you just open it up. Of course, I did it the wrong way. And there you have it. You can see it is probably thinner than your phone. That is amazing. Okay, let's go ahead and put this to the side for now. And let's check out the mouse. Again, just like with the keyboard, the mouse is very thin. It's very lightweight. It has a little bit of a plastic feel to it, and I don't know why is it rattling. I think, yep, that's why. Okay, so here is the USB dongle, and I assume this is your DPI button. And the mouse also charges with USB-C, so it is very convenient. You can charge it with the same wire that you use to charge your phone with. To connect the mouse with Bluetooth, you're going to flip the on switch like that, and then you're going to hold the pair button for a few seconds. Same thing for the keyboard. You're going to hit that Bluetooth button right there. As you can see in the top, you can connect two different devices, so a laptop, a tablet, and you can easily switch between both of them. And this button right here is to connect with the USB dongle, but I'm not going to be using that in this video. So now in my settings, I'm going to go ahead and pair with the mouse. You can see right there. And then you got the keyboard right there. I'm going to go ahead and pair. And now my mouse and keyboard are connected. And you can see on my Android phone, I got access to my mouse. So obviously this is not an ergonomic mouse, so it feels a little bit weird in my hands, but not bad. It's just very flat. So I imagine after a long period of time, it won't be that comfortable to use. But for web browsing for a couple of minutes, I'm sure it's fine. So it's going to take some time to get used to this one, but for a travel mouse, I think this is pretty awesome. Now let's move on to the keyboard. Overall, typing on the keyboard is pretty comfortable. And with my other keyboards, I'm used to having it elevated just a little bit. There is no way to elevate it, so you're stuck typing on a flat angle. A few years ago on this channel, I reviewed a foldable keyboard, but it wasn't a full-size keyboard like this one. It didn't have the number pad, and some of the keys were missing. But this one is a little bit bigger because it's a full-size keyboard, but I prefer it that way, because having the shortcuts on the top and the number pad does come in handy. And you can see you got your F keys, you got your quick shortcuts to change the brightness, to switch between apps, to search. You got your media controls, your volume control, and then when you're done working, all you gotta do is fold it, and you're good to go. So I got to mention that there are rubber grips on the back of the keyboard, so it won't slide around on your desk. But yeah, overall, this is a pretty cool keyboard, and I'm glad that it came with a carrying case, because if I put it in my bag, just like this, it would have got all scratched up. So thankfully, you got the case so that your keyboard and your mouse is secure and they're not scratching each other. So it's very satisfying to just pop it open like this. And like I said, it's not that ergonomic, but at least it has all the functions that you expect from a keyboard. You got all your shortcuts, you got the USB-C charging port, you can use it with the USB dongle or Bluetooth. Same thing with the mouse, because they're both about the same size. You can see how flat they are. Great for traveling, not that great for everyday use. So that is it for my review on the ProtroArc foldable keyboard and portable mouse. And as always, if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. And also, you can reach out to me on Instagram.